Guys, what are you doing? There's only 1 month left before summer, and you're still looking like every other average Joe out there. Or maybe even worse. But fear not, guys, I'm here to help you out. So in this video, we will cover how you can undergo that drastic transformation in just 30 days. The first thing we need to talk about isn't what you'd expect. Staying disciplined over the next month is crucial due to the little time we have. We need to learn how to deal with procrastination, or else the tricks I will list will become useless if you're not willing to stay committed. I want you to do all the small and manageable tasks to begin with. It's less daunting and gives you the quick wins you need to stay motivated. Just these 30 days, that's all I need from you. Make the sacrifice because the sun's soon going to be bright and people notice just that little bit more on the way you act and the way you look. Which is also why we need to ensure that your fashion sense is on point. So, where do you start? Take a look at Instagram or Pinterest, type in dark academia aesthetic, Swedish style men, or the star boy aesthetic. Next, start pinning or saving looks that catch your eye. You can get these stylish pieces without breaking the bank. Stores like Zara, H&M, ASOS, and Uniqlo are your go-tos for picking up those sleek, stylish pieces at prices that won't make your wallet weep. Keeping those finds looking fresh is key. Always check the care labels. Trust me, washing correctly can double the life of your clothes. And invest in good hangers. No wire hangers ever. They can damage the shape of your clothes. Ensure you don't stretch your clothes collar when hanging them up. Go through the bottom or otherwise you're going to end up with a bacon neck. We'll definitely need to be saving some of that money left over for our dental care, hair care, and skin care. But how can we make these changes in 30 days? There are products that can make a quick difference, sometimes even an instant difference. Hair care doesn't have to be complicated. With all hair, keep it clean, shampooing at least 1 to 2 times a week. Using conditioner can be a great way to instantly improve your hair's appearance, leaving it shiny and refreshed. Now I know some of you guys might want curls or even a bit away from your straight flat hair instantly. Well, I found a game changer that worked for me, this Slick Gorilla Powder. You can get it from the link down below, where I'll earn a small commission, which will really help the channel out, guys. Add a bit of powder to your hands and begin to scrunch. For guys who want straight hair, use a pomade. And for the guys who already got curly hair, use a leave-in conditioner with a curl cream. Now we got your hair looking sleek and pretty quickly too, but the first thing anyone notices is that face. So we want to start off by using a facial cleanser and a moisturizer. These are the basics, but things such as using retinol every few days before you go to sleep can help speed up the process to clear skin within 30 days. If you got acne that needs clearing up quickly, consider a treatment such as salicylic acid spot treatment to target those breakouts and get it under control. Speaking of getting things under control, you need to get your breath under control, guys. This will ruin your confidence in social situations if you don't sort it out. I don't care if you're breathing on your hand and checking it that way, this doesn't work, guys. If you ain't flossing, using mouthwash, cleaning your tongue with a tongue scraper, as well as brushing your teeth twice daily, then you most likely reek, man. To get those pearly whites quickly, use teeth whitening strips at least once a week, and before any social event, bump up the frequency to every day. Earlier I mentioned how you still look like every other average Joe out there. And if you still look like that even after these steps, then this 1-minute guide on how to look like a model as an average guy should help you out. But don't forget to like and subscribe if you learned something new.